Hey Bruce, it's Brett. How are you? Good, buddy boy. What you doing? Are you at work? Guess what? I'm going to come up and pick up the seats. Yeah, well, I told you that. There was no point getting them until I got the car back. All right, are you there? I'll pop up and I'll see you in about an hour. Yeah, a little over an hour. I'll see you soon. See you, mate. Cheers. Bye. Okay, let's head up out west to Penrith to pick up the seats for the Series 3. Hey Bruce.
Hey Brett.
Hey mate. Haven't seen you for a while. How are you?
Good to see you.
Good. Pete's getting down the seats for me already. He's on top of it.
He's a good fella.
What's that bird thing up there?
It's an S-type.
Yeah. Who's S-type?
A fellow that was down in living near Liverpool had a garage fire.
Right.
It's a manual overdrive S-type.
Right. Wow.
3.8. That's what's left of it.
So why have you got it? It doesn't look like there's much left of it.
Well, you look at the tyres are up. That was the gamble I took.
Oh yeah.
That the mechanicals would be okay. Now you have a look underneath from the front.
Yeah.
It's not burnt.
Okay. So you still got like all the mechanics of it.
Power steer front.
Oh yeah, which you definitely.
Power steer front, overdrive, full synchro gearbox.
Yeah.
LSD rear end.
Yeah.
Independent.
Okay. You're going to strip it, obviously.
Obviously.
How did the fire start?
Oh, I don't know. There's a garage fire.
It looks like it started. It wasn't the car. It was like in the garage, wasn't
garage and inside. It's not worth. You can't restore it.
No.
It's purely parts.
It's purely parts, yeah.
But parts, I mean, you add up on an overdrive gearbox.
Yeah. Well, I don't know what you pay for it, but I'm sure
Well, the only guys on it were two scrap metal guys that would have taken it straight to the scrap metal.
And then you would have lost that shit. Yeah.
And we would have lost it.
Yeah. No, it's good, mate. It's good. Good.
So that's what it's all about.
So we've got the XJR that you're working on.
Yes, it's coming up good.
It's a pretty thing.
It'll look good when it's all buffed and polished.
Yeah. And the door's getting painted, is it?
Yeah. Ultraviolet, they call it.
The colour?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't see too many of that colour.
Ultraviolet
And it's got the Sepang wheels,
yep.
except that you've got a spare
Well,
for
I'm
that one.
getting that painted at the moment, so you can see how rough it was.
Yeah,
The guy just didn't look. Obviously, had too much money, you know.
there's a lot of
Didn't
those
look
around.
after it.
Yeah, no, well,
But mechanically, it's a good car.
yeah, I'm glad you're restoring it. It's great.
Yeah.
So is that a keeper?
Yes. Lovely car.
Yeah, it looks it. An
That's
update.
an 07, so it's one of the very last.
Very, very latest, yeah. Yeah, that's
One
nice.
there, actually, under the hoist is an 08.
Yeah, well, I think I was here last time with that one. It's,
Twin turbo diesel with the Daimler trim.
yeah. That's
So how's your R going?
beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, really, really good. After Dr. Jag did all that other work on it, it hasn't failed really. Sounds like mine.
Beautiful.
How many Ks?
190.
Yeah. Well, here we might have a look at this beautiful XJ Sport. It's got a 6 litre in it, worked 6 litre, with a 5-speed get drag in there. TWR wheels. This big fat exhaust set. Black. Okay, seats are in. We'll head back home, have some lunch on the way, and let's get them installed into the Series 3. Now I've got the seats out in the sun. We haven't got a lot of strong sun today, but it's enough just to warm them up a bit, because what that'll do, we're going to put some leather reviver on them, and the sun will just open up the pores of the leather a bit, so the reviver will sink into it better, and we'll leave it until at least the sun goes down. Starting to get nice and warm. These things haven't had a drink for a long time. A long time. One coat. I'll come back when a little bit warmer and I'll give it another one. They should respond up pretty well, I feel. While these guys are far from looking new, I still think they're going to look better than the existing ones, and they also add a little bit of patina to it. They've now had about 3 soakings of the leather rejuvenator, and now I've just had some old Gliptone gentle cleaner that I don't even know where it came from, but it's actually quite amazing, this stuff. Look how much it cleans without having to use water. This initial clean is coming up like a treat. They won't need much leather dye at all. They're looking a lot better and softer. On the passenger cushion, there was a little bit of pulling of the stitching in between there where it's stitched up a bit, so I've just put a bit of leather binder down there just to hold it together. So that's before I've cleaned it. After a clean. Okay, let's put some colour into these seats. Jaguar doeskin is the colour of these. And this is very satisfying when you do this. Very satisfying. Yeah. Well, they're starting to look pretty good. That's enough dye on them. And to finish them off, all I'm going to do is just give them a little bit of leather finishing, and that'll seal the paint so it doesn't come out of the leather. So we'll get that done, and then we'll see if we can put them in. They're going to look so much better. I'll give this a bit of a vacuum. Oh, I'm rich. That'll go into the washing machine jar. Well, they're looking a lot smarter. I'm happy that's finished. Bit of sun there, but they're looking smick. And I did find $7.20. That might get me a midi. Okay, well, I'm glad that job's finished. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys, and if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, you can also do that, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again. Cheers. Okay, the time has come. Let's put some colour into these seats. This is the nice bit. Oh, look at that. Got the right stuff? Wrong one.